Hello guys, Grok is still completely free right now. Here's exactly what you need to do.
Grok is still very much free. All you have to do is to know what to do, because I've been seeing what people have been posting since Grok is no longer free. Try this and this and that. Grok is still very much free, but you just have to be wise. That is all. So let's get started. So what you just okay, look at what we're going to do now. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let's copy a prompt. Then I will use the image. I'll show you that this my Grok now is working. I don't pay any money. I don't pay a dime. Let's use this prompt. Although this is a class I'm going to post next on this my channel, a class on how to do a kind of a story. I have to do with a deep secret. So let's go and use this. You can see we have how many dialogue? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if they are too much, I'll just divide this one into 2. I'll first use 2. I'll use 2 again. That's how I'm going to do it. So let's go. So I'll click on this imaging. So look at it. You will see this image. Okay, I've selected the image. So the next thing now, I'll just use anything like a free trial, this and that. Is it not working? I'll just paste the prompt here. Remember I told you I'm going to use just 2 dialogue at this whole dialogue. So I just remove 2 dialogue. I'll remove 2. To cut these 2 away. I'll use this only 2. Look at what we're having.
They fear us. They obey us.
Okay, it's just a kind of a story. Although this is just part of the story. Okay, let me include the remaining 2 dialogue. I'll just delete this one now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to extend this one. I have to extend this one. I'll put the remaining dialogue here. Just click on the extend. Just check what I did there. Then we just send. So look at the full scheme. That this one is 12 seconds now that I just generated.
They fear us. They obey us. They belong to us. We control their lives.
Okay, that is it. So this is just like just a story of some okay, I will show you guys. I'll show you what this is all about in my next video. I just want to tell you guys that Grok is still working. Now how can you make it work? Now to make this Grok work now, you must have the mind to do it. You know, if you want to generate videos, most of you, if you want to generate video now, you have a prompt of free trial, no more free trial, try 3 days for free. So what you do, just click on that try 3 days for free. Okay, let me just try another account, then I'll show you what I'm trying to say. Like this, what you do, click on this start 3 days free trial. If you click on it, it will tell you, okay, make a subscription. Then or it will take you to where you will enter your card. Just click on payment details, enter your card, use any card, because maybe I use Verve card now. Just use any card you have, enter the card details, then enter your expiry date and all. But make sure you don't have much money inside that card, number 1. Number 2, make sure after 2 days you remove the card, because they make provision for cancelling of the, that is, if you don't like, if you know that you cannot pay this 48,500, make sure you remove the card before after 2 days. After 2 days, just remove the card for your own good. Then if you know you can pay, what they just want to do, what they are just trying to do is for you to try. They just want you to enjoy the free full version of Grok, so that you will see how it is. Most people will see how it is. They will just decide to pay the 48,500. While most people will see it, they will not be able to pay. They will just go away, and that is not their business. Their businesses, okay, you try for 3 days free. Then after these 3 days now, if you can still pay for what you are enjoying, then pay. If you cannot pay, then withdraw yourself out or remove the card or manage subscription, something like that. So you are free to do it like that. So that's how it is. I did not pay any money for my own. I'm just trying it for free for 3 days. After 3 days, I'm out of this place and I'll look for another thing to do. So that's how the thing is. So you can go and try your own now. Generate unlimited videos. You can generate 100 videos now, safe. So you just use the opportunity to generate enough videos you can generate. It's very, very important. Super Grok active. So if you want to cancel now, just click on this manage subscription, then I'm good to go. You can see it this place now. You can just manage your billing, cancel it, remove your card from Google Pay. That's all. So be careful and please don't make a mistake. If you make any mistake, your 50k will be paid for it. So just be careful. Go and enjoy your videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others.